Please welcome the Secretary-Treasurer of the newly formed Neil Hellman Staff Union, Cecelia Gray, to tell us a little bit about what motivated her members to organize.
When I was hired in January 2024, I learned that staff had just begun talking about organizing. I jumped in headfirst and became part of the organizing effort. I now serve as the Secretary-Treasurer on our executive committee. We officially won our union on July 11th, 2024. With more than 74% of staff voting yes. At the heart of our campaign were critical issues that directly impacted our daily lives: the need for representation in Justice Center cases, the safety of both staff and students, and the desire for a voice in our working conditions. These issues are not abstract concerns. They affected our work, our environment, and ultimately, my ability to serve my students daily. Our strength lies in our unity, and as we continue to advocate for what we deserve, let's inspire each other to keep fighting for a better, safer, and more equitable workplace.